Good morning and happy new month. Welcome to the month of August. Today's class will be learning about 3D shapes. Previously, we've learned about 2D shapes or flat shapes. Our 2D shapes or flat shapes are the square, the circle, the rectangle, and the rest. Today, we'll be learning about 3D shapes. And why are they called 3D shapes? They are called 3D shapes because they are three-dimensional and because they are also called solid shapes. Moving on, we'll be learning about these 3D shapes. We have several 3D shapes. For the purpose of this class, we'll be learning about the sphere. We'll be learning about the prism. We'll be learning about the cuboid, the cube, the cylinder, pyramid, and the cone. But we might not exhaust everything today. So, today's class will be learning about the sphere, the cube, the cylinder, and the pyramid. Just the four 3D shapes. So, like I was saying earlier, 3D shapes usually have the height and the breadth. Okay, so we'll be learning about how to spell and how to identify some objects around us that are in 3D shapes. Let's move on. The first shape we'll be learning today is the sphere. Can you see the sphere shape? It is in round shape, but it is not round because round is a circle is a flat shape, right? So it is not circle. Circle is flat, but this sphere is also in round shape, but it is solid. It is 3D. So sphere is 3D, is a 3D shape. An example of object that comes in three in sphere shape are, look at your football, your ball, your football, your basketball are in sphere shape. And do you also know that the earth is spherical? Yes, earth is spherical. That means, remember we learnt about our solar system. Yes, just we'll be doing it later in the course of the term, but just have it at the back of your mind that the earth is spherical. So look at the earth, it is spherical. It is in sphere shape. So examples of words that are in sphere shape are your ball and earth. So the next example is cube. Did you see cube? Okay, but before we learn about cube, can we spell our sphere? On a quick one, let's learn how to spell sphere. S P. Can you say that after me? S P H E. Can you say that? H-E-R-E. R-E. Sphere. Can we spell sphere again? S-P-H-E-R-E. P S P H E H E R E, sphere. And we said that examples of objects that are in sphere shape are your football, your basketball, and also the earth is in sphere shape, spherical. The next 3D shape that we'll be learning about is cube. Okay, cube is also a 3D shape, and you can see objects around there that are in cube shape. This is your ice cube. Yes, I love to take my tea with ice cubes. Okay, another example of objects that are in cube shape is your dice. Can you see the dice? So you have your ice cube and you have your dice. And also, I will also love to teach you how to draw a cube. Can we go? Okay, so before we spell, let's learn how to draw a cube. Okay, let's go. This way, you draw a rectangle, then you bring it, come to the middle, come to the middle, come this way, then join this path, join this path, join the down path, and join this path. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is beautiful. So that is your cube. Now let's learn how to spell our cube. The last time I think we learned about our magic E. And we said that once you have a word that has a magic E, then the magic E changes the vowel sound to their letter name. You remember? So cube is also part of it. So, but let's spell it this way. C-U, okay? C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Okay, another way you can spell your cube is that just know that this is a magic E, and the magic E will change this to the letter name and it will sound U. So this is cube and the magic E will be silent. So you can have it that way, and you can also spell it as C-U-B-E, cube. Then you have objects such as your ice cube, your dice, and the rest. So let's move on to cone. Cone, yes. Wow, I can see ice cream on the screen. Wow, I'm craving for ice cream. Okay, cone is another 3D shape. It's another 3D shape. And there are some object that comes in cone shape. We have our ice cream cone. Can you see the ice cream cone? This part, it comes in cone shape. Yes, that is an example of a cone-shaped object. Another example is your party hat. Yes, some of you during Christmas party, during your house parties, you put on your Christmas hat. So those are examples of objects that comes in cone shape. Yes. And I also love to draw a cone. So let's learn how to draw a cone. It's very simple. Very simple. You remember we learned about triangle the other time. Just try and draw your triangle, but don't close it up. Okay? After drawing the triangle, just draw your oval on the triangle, then draw the oval under. It gives you a cone. So this also, the magic E rule also applies to cone as well. Did you see that? The E, it ends with the magic E, then the O will change to O, so that's why you have cone. So you can use it to spell it. You can also spell it as C-O-N-E, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Also, you can see it as this. This is a magic E, which will change this O to O, and this will turn to cone. Oh, cone. Did you see that? So that is cone. And the final 3D shape that we'll be learning today is cylinder. Yes, a cylinder shape is so big and tall. Wow. What are the examples of objects that are in in cylinder shape, or that comes in form of a cylinder? This is your battery. Did you see that? This is your battery for your remote, your DSTV remote control, for your television remote control, battery for your touch lights. This is so anytime you see a battery, just know that that is in cylinder shape. Okay, so I'm very sure that if not all, most of you love to take Pringles. I also love Pringles. And my favorite color is the middle one, the red one, the original. That's my favorite flavor. Okay, so and remember, anytime you are eating your Pringles, just know that the container, that means the bottle, is in is a cylinder, or it comes in cylinder shape. Okay, so your Pringles container or bottle is a cylinder, or comes in a cylinder shape. Yes, so those are examples of object with that comes in cylinder shape. Your battery, your Pringles bottle, and the likes. So on a quick one, let's spell cylinder. So let's go. Let's chunk it. It's very simple. CY. Can you say that after me? CYLINLIN. Okay. Let's spell it from the beginning. CYCYLINLINDER. DER. Cylinder. Can we spell it again? CYCYLINLINDER. Cylinder. Cylinder. All right. Can we spell cylinder again? CYCYLINLINDER. Cylinder. Cylinder. Thank you, and have a great day.